If you are planning to start a dropshipping store or e-commerce or literally any traditional business model in 2025, you're probably about to waste months of your life and a lot of money. And I'm not saying this in any sort of negative way. I'm saying this because I've seen people fail at these outdated and traditional business models while there's a small group of us that are actually pursuing a new way of making money online. And what I'm about to show you in today's video is going to be safer, faster, and actually works in today's marketplace, and you don't even have to start an actual business. I'm going to break this video down into 3 different parts, and the first one being why traditional business models are completely outdated. See, most business models like dropshipping have very oversaturated markets as well as very thin profit margins due to the amount of competition the business model is actually in. Facebook ads and TikTok ads have made dropshipping extremely unprofitable. Quality issues as well as the customer trust is just not really there. With a model like this, you are constantly trying to test products, and to test products, you actually have to burn through a lot of ad spend to even find a winning product in the first place. You guys are talking about massive inventory upfront, massive investment upfront, as well as competing with established businesses like Amazon, which beginners are just not in any position or any capacity gonna win in that kind of marketplace. Not even to mention the complexity of the business model for a beginner. You have to learn so many skills in order to actually get this business off the ground. New business owners have no idea about inventory management, staff, having to deal with suppliers, customer service, and this is exactly what kills e-commerce stores, especially as a beginner. And this is why starting from scratch puts you guys at the maximum risk unless you actually choose and pick your business models wisely. Because if you're starting from scratch, 100% of the risk is on you. Now that's a good thing and a bad thing. For the majority of you guys, 90% of you guys to be exact, that is a bad thing because you are all failing to get to that 6-figure mark. Also starting from scratch, you're talking about a $5,000 to $50,000 upfront investment for you guys that majority of you guys don't even have, and there's no guarantee you're gonna make an ROI as a beginner. Now, I'm not saying don't start businesses from the ground up to start. I'm saying pick your business models wisely, weigh the pros and the cons of the actual attributes of the business models that you guys are choosing. Most of you guys are starting outdated business models, which is why I'm emphasizing you guys need to have discernment when you're picking a fucking business model that can change your life. And this is why you'll hear like the average person saying, online business models don't work. Oh, look, I've tried that. It doesn't work for me. Oh, I've tried this. It doesn't work. And this is because you guys are trying to smack home runs right out of year 1 by becoming some serial entrepreneur and trying these crazy high-risk business models, and you're not actually building any sort of foundation that you need to have as an entrepreneur to actually make it. The alternative that I'm about to show you for the rest of this video eliminates every single one of these problems that I just went over. So if you want the exact same system that I use to get myself out of my 9-to-5, as well as pursue a low-risk business model, low upfront, low overhead, and help me actually replace my 9-to-5 without spending thousands of dollars, I'll show you exactly how to access these systems at the end of the video, so pay attention. The alternative that I am talking about is becoming a digital middleman. Now, I know this is a new term for a majority of you guys, so this is exactly what a digital middleman is. All you are doing is partnering up with existing businesses that are already making millions of dollars online, and they're selling high-ticket services, high-ticket products, right? And you are just middlemaning the deal for them. The only thing you have to do is be the middleman between a service and a customer. Think of companies like Uber, Airbnb, DoorDash, all of these companies that are billion-dollar companies. They're just middlemen for other businesses and consumers. And that is the exact same concept applied to pretty much every single online business that sells a high-ticket service or a high-ticket product. Compared to starting from scratch, you already partner up with companies that are doing millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars, so there's a proven concept there. So it's basically guaranteed cash flow if you know what you are doing. The way you get paid as a digital middleman is by closing deals and setting appointments for these businesses for their services with customers that want to buy. That is it. That is how simple being a middleman is. And you can almost think of this as the new era and the new age of sales reps for the online space. You know, as a sales rep, you're between a product and a customer, except for traditional sales, you're just talking to people who don't want to talk to you. And like the sleazy car salesman people, you guys know what I'm talking about. They'll sell you a car that you don't even want to buy, and this industry is the complete opposite. You are talking to people who genuinely want your guys' service, who already want to work with the businesses. The only thing you have to do is take the call for the business because they can't even take it on their behalf because there's so much volume. And this is like a 99% risk discount for anybody that wants to make money online, because like I said, you just partner up with businesses that already have money. They want to pay middlemen. They want to pay people like you and me to transact these deals via Zoom and via text calls. Let me fast forward a little bit to the part that you actually want and the part that you actually care about, which is your earnings and potential earnings with this kind of business model. If you were to become an appointment setter, now if you don't know what an appointment setter is, don't worry, on my YouTube I have so many videos going over what an appointment setter is, so you guys can watch that after this. I might even link it at the end of my video as well. But you can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $8,000 every single month just by qualifying and setting these appointments for their online businesses. Now, if you are a remote closer, you can earn anywhere from $15,000 to $50,000 every single month just by handling the sales calls and actually closing the deals via Zoom call. Like I said, if you don't know what a remote closer is or a remote appointment setter, I have videos breaking down both of these digital middleman models. Now for, I guess, quote unquote, the catch, because obviously, like majority of you guys, I was like this. Oh, it's way too good to be true. I don't believe you, AJ. This is a video. This is cap. You're bullshitting, right? No. Every single one of these earning potentials and roles and business models that I just described to you guys is absolutely feasible. But the only catch is it genuinely takes work. I'm not gonna promote this whole get rich quick scheme or this is gonna be the easiest way. Obviously, yes, once you get to a certain level in knowledge, it does become easy. But I'm not gonna be like, oh my God, you guys are gonna get so rich off this. You're gonna make $1 million in your first fucking month, because people that say that online just fucking cap out of their ass, if I'm being completely honest. Excuse my profanity. Even for me, the 3 years that I've been in business, I was able to scale to $100,000 a month. Yes, 6 figures in one single month. But it took me 3 years of my life, okay, 1,000 days of studying this business model, perfecting the craft. So it does take time and work. Now, ideally for the average person, you don't even need to make 6 figures a month. You just need to make like $10, $15, $20,000 every single month. And an ideal timeline that I give to you every single beginner is around 180 days. If you are genuinely trying with this business model and strategies that I know, you can 100% crush those income goals in 180 days, half a year. 6 months, that's all it takes. 6 months and you could actually have, yes, $50,000 a month income. And the last part I want to cover, which is why I personally believe the digital middleman model beats majority of business models and starting from scratch, essentially. And I want to just lay the facts on here and start off with the risk and investment. Traditional business models, you're looking at $5,000 to $50,000 with no guaranteed returns on your investment. Whereas the middleman model is completely reversed and almost flipped, because the equation is no longer about your guys' investment. As a digital middleman, I didn't have any experience in sales. I didn't know what I was doing. My investment that I made was time and developing a skill set. It is no longer about investment. It's about how good you can actually become at sales. How good can you actually communicate yourself so these online businesses actually see you as valuable and want to even partner with you in the first place. So you were almost literally flipping the equation on the risk and investment side when it comes to becoming a middleman. As well as this business model will actually set you up for success as an overall serial entrepreneur. It's performance based. You'll understand sales, you will understand marketing, you will understand the foundations of business, so that if you wanted to pursue another business model, if you wanted to go start an e-commerce brand, if you wanted to go start a clothing brand, you would have the fundamental foundations of an entrepreneur and the skill sets of an entrepreneur required for any business. A digital middleman can teach you every single one of the skill sets that you need, as well as it has like a lot of networking perks that I was able to leverage. Most business models will take you like 12 months, 24 months to even get off the ground and stay profitable. Not only do you have to spend that much time, but you're also spending that time having to learn a complex business model. Whereas a middleman, it's very simple, very like anybody can comprehend this. If you can't comprehend being a middleman for a business and a consumer, I don't know what to tell you. I wouldn't recommend going and starting any other business. As well as the timeline for the earnings is way faster. I'm talking like 3 to 6 months compared to 12 and 24. I would say that's a complete bargain on your time investment. And lastly, I want to talk about freedom and control, because this is really, really huge for anybody that wants to make money online. More or less, if you're a beginner, you just really want to make money from home and be able to do what you want on your own hours without having the stress of running like a Fortune 500 company, especially on year one. You just want enough to be able to take care of yourself and do what you want. Trust me, I get it. I was you. And compared to like the startup mentality where you're spending 80 hours per week, you don't necessarily have to do that right out of the gate. Now, I would recommend spending as much time as you possibly can in the business model because you'll make more money. Like, that's what I did. I just spent every single day, 16 hours a day, grinding at this business model. But you don't have to do that. You probably have a corporate 9-to-5 right now. You probably have a job that might be paying you $5,000, $10,000. You're not ready to give it up yet. You kind of want to try this part-time to supplement your guys' income to replace your 9-to-5. I get it. I've been there as well. The digital middleman model replaces that 80-hour work weeks, the grinding non-stop, staying up till 4 a.m., having 1,000 milligrams of caffeine, because you can do it part-time to start off. You can just spend your spare hours, 20, 30-hour work weeks to supplement your income to start. As well as this gives you 100% remote freedom and location freedom. Like, I remember the days I was literally taking calls in Panera using Panera Wi-Fi. This gives you complete remote control on where you want to work. And look, I know starting a business, being the boss, creating a startup in 2025 is trendy. It seems impressive. I get it. Very entrepreneurial of you guys, but to be honest, in 2025, that's not the best way to actually get you guys to a $10,000 a month income. It's usually just an expensive way for you guys to stay broke for years. E-commerce is dead. Traditional business models are dying. They're a dying breed. Coming from someone who has tried 10 plus business models, I have failed at every single one of them. I have more to say than you guys about the business models that are currently in the market right now. You guys don't need to be starting from scratch when you can partner up with existing businesses and make thousands of dollars and just taking a cut of the ones that are already making millions. Now, if you guys want to see the complete system to land your guys' first partnership, to kind of help you guys take that first step to that 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000 a month goal that you guys have, I have a link in the description for you guys. I'll show you how to do it within 180 days. Just click the link in the description below. As well as I'll probably pull up the other videos about remote closing and appointment setting here.